Should I just put shades on for the entire video? Oh my god. Is this weird? Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, what am I doing? You watch my YouTube videos but don't actually subscribe to me, so ignore the fact that there's shadow. This is the lighting we're going to use. So in this video I'm going to be talking about the products I used when I went to Cape Verde, inserting some flash clips of how beautiful it was. It was sunny, it was warm, it was vibes, it was just a really good holiday in winter, which is nice. I went in January the 15th for a week. It was lovely, but I'm just going to be talking about the products I used there because some of the clips which I will insert were really windy, like really windy, and you can't hear anything I was saying. Let's start with my favorite product and then go down the line. It is called the Milkshake Incredible Milk. It's kind of for giving your hair a good shine, conditioning your hair, adding new moisture to your hair, making it soft, just giving it back a lot of things after you've been in the sun for a long time. It's got heat protection, and it was just really good. It's hydrated and felt really soft. And as someone that has low porosity hair, my hair finds it hard to absorb a lot of product, and it is dry quite a lot of the time, and that product just made my hair feel like butter. So I am ordering that product on Amazon to arrive to my uni accommodation because it was my mum's and I used it on the holiday, but I want my own. It is really affordable actually. It's $8.99 for 150 milliliters, and that is going to last you a long time. Because I wouldn't use it every day necessarily. It gave my hair like a shine, which I think is quite nice, especially on locks. I feel like if your hair is looking dry, it can look quite dead. Next product I'm going to talk about is water. I'm going to talk about water in all of my videos, but it is your go-to for hydration. It is the primary source of hydration. I find this a lot easier to get water to my scalp just straight away in the lines using the little tip. This I use for the body of my hair. When I'm at home, I do use my mum's continuous spray bottle. I love those things because one spray and it's like misting everywhere. It's gorgeous. I will try find where I got these because this actually has a really like fine mist as well. Just had to quickly find the name because I keep forgetting what the name of the spray was, because obviously, as I said, I only used it for a week, and I'm just documenting how I found these products for the week. So it was the Boots Sultan hairspray. Protected my scalp and the body of my hair from the sun. Also because I have lightened and bleached parts of my hair, so I also didn't want the sun to bleach my hair even more. We didn't want that. So that product I found was quite nice. It was a light spritz. I think it did what it said, considering my hair wasn't fried, it didn't feel so dry all the time, and my hair didn't get lighter either. Don't know much on that product. I didn't find as much as a difference as I did in the milk one, but also I think that's because that was supposed to protect from the sun, so you're not going to really notice too much of a difference unless your hair has sun damage. That moves me on to what I used, and I went to the pool. My big haired girls out there will know the story of when you're a child and you have to put that swim cap on and it snaps. These caps were designed for people with bigger hair, black girls, but also any girl that has big hair and just needs a cap that's going to fit their hair and protect their hair from the chlorine. These caps come in at different sizes. My size I used was extra large. When you go and buy these from Amazon, it will explain the different sizes and how you know what size you need. But I loved this cap. The name of this cap, I've got a memory like a sieve. I really have a memory like a sieve. I need to find the name for this cap, but I love it. I got it in black. There's multiple colours and it fit all my hair in, and there was still space for my hair to grow, which is perfect because I know with these sister locks my hair is going to keep growing and I don't want to have to keep buying another swim cap and another swim cap and another swim cap, and I could put it on myself, which is a bonus because I used to struggle so much getting swim caps over my head. My hair is doing really well. I will do a monthly update at some point, and check out my new hair series. But also I have made my Instagram public, so you guys can all go follow me on Instagram. My hair is doing really well. I will do a monthly update at some point, and check out my new hair series. I love you all, and bye.